Apple has done it again. They've taken a product category that felt stuck and completely flipped the script. The Vision Pro isn't just another headset. It's a statement, a glimpse into the future of how we interact with technology and the world around us. It's exciting, ambitious, and maybe even a little bit magical. Remember when the first iPhone came out? People lined up for days just to get their hands on one. This feels like that. It's a whole new category of device. This isn't just about strapping a screen to your face, it's about augmenting your reality, blending the digital and physical in ways we haven't seen before. I've been fortunate enough to spend some quality time with the Vision Pro, and let me tell you, it's an experience unlike anything I've ever seen. The first thing you'll notice about the Vision Pro is its design. It's sleek, it's modern, and it screams premium. Apple has always had a knack for crafting beautiful hardware, and the Vision Pro is no exception. But it's not just about looks. The design is all about comfort and functionality. The headset is surprisingly lightweight and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. The materials feel great against your skin, and the weight distribution is balanced, so it doesn't feel front-heavy. Apple has clearly put a lot of thought into the ergonomics of this device, but the real magic happens when you turn it on. The Vision Pro boasts two stunning micro-OLED displays, one for each eye, delivering incredibly sharp and vibrant visuals. We're talking about resolution beyond what the human eye can even perceive. This is the highest resolution display ever featured in a headset of this kind. And it's not just about the resolution. The colors are vivid, the blacks are deep, and the refresh rate is so smooth that it practically eliminates motion blur. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or just browsing the web, the visual fidelity of the Vision Pro is simply breathtaking. Powering this incredible experience is Apple's own M2 chip, the same chip that powers their latest Macs. This is a serious piece of silicon, and it's what allows the Vision Pro to deliver such a smooth and responsive experience. But Apple didn't stop there. They also developed a brand new chip specifically for the Vision Pro, the R1 chip. The R1 chip is dedicated to processing all the sensor data from the Vision Pro, and we're talking about a lot of sensors. The Vision Pro uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and LEDs to track your eye movements, hand gestures, and even your facial expressions. This data is then used to create a seamless and intuitive control system. And then there's the spatial audio. The Vision Pro features Apple's most advanced spatial audio system yet, with speakers built directly into the headband. The audio is incredibly immersive and realistic, placing sounds all around you in virtual space. It's like having a surround sound system built right into your headset. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I've seen VR headsets before. What makes this one so special? And it's true, the VR market has been around for a while, but the Vision Pro is different. It's not just about virtual reality, it's about augmented reality, or AR. Previous attempts at AR glasses have been clunky, limited, and frankly, kind of awkward to use. Remember Google Glass? Yeah, we've all been trying to forget that one. But Apple's approach is different. They're not trying to replace your phone or your computer, they're trying to enhance them. With the Vision Pro, you can still see the world around you, but now you can interact with digital content in a whole new way. Imagine watching a movie on a massive virtual screen in your living room, or collaborating on a 3D model with colleagues from around the world, all while still being present in your physical environment. This is the promise of augmented reality, and the Vision Pro is the closest we've come to realizing that promise. It's a game changer, not just for Apple, but for the entire tech industry. One of the things that impressed me most about the Vision Pro is how seamlessly it blends the real and virtual worlds. Unlike other VR headsets that completely block out your surroundings, the Vision Pro uses something called EyeSight to let you see what's happening around you. When you're wearing the Vision Pro, people can actually see your eyes. This is huge for social interaction. It means you can make eye contact with someone while still being immersed in a virtual experience. And if someone approaches you while you're wearing the headset, the Vision Pro will automatically transition to a more transparent view, so you can see who it is without having to take the headset off. This seamless blending of reality and virtuality is what sets the Vision Pro apart from other headsets on the market. It's what makes it feel less like a gadget and more like an extension of your senses. But how do you actually control this thing? Well, Apple has opted for a completely intuitive and natural control scheme. Your eyes, your hands, and your voice. That's right, no controllers, no remotes, just you and the digital world. The eye tracking technology in the Vision Pro is incredibly precise. You can select apps, scroll through menus, and even type just by looking. And if you need to interact with something more directly, you can simply reach out and touch it. The Vision Pro's hand tracking is just as impressive as its eye tracking, allowing you to manipulate virtual objects with incredible precision. And if you want to go completely hands-free, you can always use your voice. Siri is fully integrated into the Vision Pro, so you can ask questions, set reminders, and control your smart home devices, all without lifting a finger. The combination of eye tracking, hand tracking, and voice control makes the Vision Pro incredibly intuitive and easy to use. So what can you actually do with the Vision Pro? Well, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Apple has developed a whole suite of apps and experiences specifically for the Vision Pro, and developers are already hard at work creating even more. Want to watch a movie? The Vision Pro transforms your living room into a personal movie theater with a screen that feels like it's 100 feet wide. Want to play a game? The Vision Pro delivers an immersive gaming experience unlike anything you've ever seen before. Want to work on a 3D model? The Vision Pro lets you collaborate with colleagues from around the world as if you were all in the same room. And then there are the educational possibilities. Imagine being able to explore the human body in 3D or take a virtual field trip to the Amazon rainforest, all from the comfort of your own home. The Vision Pro has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and experience the world around us. Imagine waking up in the morning and putting on your Vision Pro. You can check your calendar, catch up on the news, and even browse your favorite social media feeds, all without leaving your bed. As you're getting ready for work, you can use the Vision Pro to control your smart home devices, adjusting the temperature, turning on the lights, and even starting a pot of coffee. On your commute, you can use the Vision Pro to watch a movie, play a game, or even get some work done. The possibilities are endless, and because the Vision Pro blends so seamlessly with the real world, you can still be aware of your surroundings and interact with people around you. At work, you can use the Vision Pro to collaborate with colleagues on projects, give presentations, and even attend virtual meetings. And when you're done with work, you can use the Vision Pro to relax and unwind, watching a movie, playing a game, or just spending time with friends and family in a virtual environment. Of course, all of this cutting-edge technology doesn't come cheap. The Apple Vision Pro is priced at a premium, reflecting the years of research and development that went into creating it. But for early adopters and tech enthusiasts, the Vision Pro represents an investment in the future of computing. It's important to remember that this is just the first generation of this technology. As with any new product category, we can expect to see the price come down over time as production scales up and competition increases. And as developers continue to create new and innovative experiences for the Vision Pro, its value proposition will only continue to grow. The Apple Vision Pro is more than just a new gadget. It's a glimpse into the future of computing, a future where the lines between the real and virtual worlds continue to blur. It's a future where we interact with technology in more intuitive and immersive ways than ever before. It remains to be seen whether the Vision Pro will be the revolutionary product that Apple hopes it will be. But one thing is for sure, the Vision Pro is a bold and ambitious product that has the potential to change the way we live, work, and play. The future is here, and it's looking pretty amazing.